Hello friend, welcome back. AI Post Creator. This tool is very simple tool which helps you to automatically generate the social media post for your YouTube channel videos. As well as you can set the reminder in this which will automatically remind you, and there with the reminder you can set the prompt as well. So when it will remind you, it will automatically generate the post and you just click copy and paste it in any social media and post it. So it will keep you relevant as well as visible in all the social media platform. So if you don't have time, this will help you automatically and remind you. Very helpful, very useful for all the influencer, and as well as it is very helpful for all the YouTube creators, those who create the YouTube videos. Because many a times what happens, we used to create a lot of videos but we forget to post them on social media, or maybe we have posted it once and then again we forget. And if we want to post it, what we used to do generally, we used to go here, copy the title, any of the videos, we will open like this, copy this and think about it, what we should have to type, what all things we should type. So generally nowadays what everybody is used to doing, create a LinkedIn post, something like this. It could be any prompt which you like. Create a LinkedIn post for this YouTube title, let's say, and paste and hit enter. So it will create a beautiful title post for LinkedIn with this particular YouTube title, and you can simply copy and paste it in there in LinkedIn and make a post like this, right? You just have to copy the link from here, make it here, and my post is ready. I can make a post, isn't it? So this is how now everybody is doing this way. I'm not sure, of course, not everyone, I should say, most of the people are doing this way, and yes, this is helping letting our content reach to everyone. So why don't we automate? I think why don't we have automated this process? Yes, of course, you can edit post and everything that you can do, if any of the content you feel not correct, that you can edit, of course. So here this AI post creator will automatically help you. What you have to do, you just click on add to Chrome. You can install it in your Chrome browser. So this is already installed in my Chrome. The very first time when you will add it, it will ask you to enter the here I will show you ChatGPT API key, and then here you will have to enter the YouTube channel link as well, your YouTube channel link. So it will fetch all the YouTube video from your channel. So here I have already done. Let me show you. So you just click on the logo. You see that after entering the under settings, you will find that API key, what I just showed you guys here. After entering the API key and the YouTube channel link, it will fetch all my videos here. YouTube videos are here, and whatever prompt, default prompt here is already set, create software testing versus any post what you want. Or if you just, let's say, click on this particular YouTube title, it will create a 90-word LinkedIn post for video title, this one. So any of the videos, all the videos from your YouTube channels are here. Okay, you just click on that particular video title here. It will auto generate the post here with this particular prompt. You can also change this prompt if you want. If you want a post for Insta, this post is for LinkedIn. Now if you see, you click on copy, go to your LinkedIn, and let me just delete this and post it. So you see that here now I have the YouTube video link as well in this, and all the content is here. So I can simply make the post. So this will basically help me a lot. If you select any of the title here, all the titles, all the YouTube titles are here. I will just have to click on that and it will generate the post for it. If I want for Instagram, I just select this Instagram and then click on generate. It will generate for Instagram. This is the post. If I want for Twitter, tweet, then I just click and select. This is here. So whatever social media platform is selected here, it will generate that. Okay, now I will show you guys again from the beginning how it is working. This card. So you just have to click on the logo here, AI post creator. All of your videos are here. Let's say you have published some of the videos, new videos which are not here. You just click on the refresh button here it will fetch the latest videos from your YouTube channel. Then you can find them here. Now here by default LinkedIn will be selected, prompt will be here. Here to generate the post, you just click on this title, whichever video for whichever video you want, you just click on that, it will generate, and then you can copy. Simple. So this is how now you can create the post for your YouTube videos automatically, like anytime, because it will basically simply save some of your time, and it will help you to not, because I'm sure like many of the YouTubers are there, creators are there, those who used to forget to post on like social media platform about their content, and it is not reaching, like even though it is a very good content, they are creating very good content, but it's not reaching to a lot of people, most of the people. So this will help. Then here it also help you to set the reminder, like here you can set the reminder and with the prompt. So here like by default I have scheduled it earlier. For you guys it will show like this, no task schedule. So you click on this and here you can schedule a task, like let's say create a LinkedIn post on AI versus software testing. Okay, sorry, this was the prompt. Here is I will say post. You can give any task name. So this is the task name, here is the GPT prompt, and then here you can set the reminder, like if you want this reminder every day or in 1 or 2 days, like that. So here every day I can say 1, and here you can set the time, like whichever time you want. So for now if I say 3:06 PM, so it will basically remind me at 3:06 PM. It will remind me, it will show the alert here, like it will be 1, and then it will convert to red color, and it will automatically generate the post here, which I can simply copy next day and post it on my social media platform. So this is how you can use this particular tool to automatically get the content. So you can see that now this is 3:06 PM, it is showing 1 here, red alert. I can click on this, the post here, post every 1 day. So the post is generated here. I can simply copy this and go to social media, and if I want to make some edit there, change, I can do that, and then I can post it. So this will be very helpful. This will be keep showing in red color. You just click on this once, and now okay, this task is done. Tomorrow again at this particular time, same time, it will generate a new post with that prompt, and I can again come back and copy and post it. So this will help me to remain active on social media platform, and like it will help me to let my content reach to the right audience and lot more people. So very simple, just add it to Chrome browser, enter your ChatGPT API key and YouTube channel link if you have. If you don't have YouTube channel link, if you want to post some others YouTube channel, you just have to post that YouTube channel link here, or else like this is optional. If you don't want to post about YouTube videos, you just want a reminder for your own prompt, then you can just simply enter the API ChatGPT API key and then save and continue. Also here how you can create this ChatGPT API key if you are someone new. So go to this platform openai.com. there you will get a way to create an API key. So like create new secret key, this one. In fact you will just put it there on ChatGPT itself, that how to create a ChatGPT API key. It will let you know this step. Very simple. So that's how you will be able to create the ChatGPT API key. So I'm sure like now you guys have a good context about this particular tool. Do let us know your feedback and comment in the comment section. Do let us know your feedback. If any feature is required, that you please let us know. We will be more than happy to add that here, because this is the very first release and we are just launching this particular tool. So I hope you guys will enjoy, and if any feedback, any issue is there, do let us know, and we will be more than happy to implement that particular feature and help you guys with that. Thank you so much. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out these awesome informative videos and keep watching more videos on SelectorsHub channel. Thank you.